Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix push notifications on your iPhone, specifically after the iOS 18 update. Follow these steps to get them working again. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings of your phone, go to the notification option. From there, you can simply search the notifications option and tap it. Make sure notifications are turned on. Select the apps you want notifications from. If notifications are already on, turn them off and back on to refresh the settings. For enable background app, go to the settings, tap the general option. From there and go to the background app refreshes option. Set it to Wi-Fi or cellular option. Make sure your apps you need notification from are enabled. Then for check focus mode, swipe down to open the control center, tap focus mode and ensure do not disturb is off. For check your internet connection, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. For restart your phone, press the release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button. Hold the side button until the Apple logo appears and the screen goes black. And once you see the logo, slide down to restart your phone. Then for update your apps, open the App Store. From there, tap your profile at the top of the corner, select update all option or update specific apps. Then reinstall problematic apps. For this, press and hold an app like this, then tap remove app and delete the app. Reinstall it from the App Store. For turn off the low power mode, go to the settings of your phone, then the battery option. From there, make sure lower power mode is off. For software update option, go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option. From there and tap the software update. From there, install any available updates. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your iPhone notifications. Like and subscribe if this helped and drop a comment if you found another solution. Thanks for watching. See you next time.